Some of the best finds at my Aldi this week. So they still have some summer like items. They have the s'mores maker. It is on sale for $20. They have things for outside. So if you want to do like a projector set up in your backyard, you can grab this right here. $70. It has all the little buttons and gadgets and things you'll need. They have a cotton candy and popcorn maker that you can grab. At my Aldi's, they only have the popcorn maker though. And then they have this portable blender, $15 here. You can see it's about that size. So you can just pop that in your bag. You can take that on travel with you. You can make like little smoothies and stuff. They have the projector screen. It's inflatable, $90. That is on sale right now. So you can have the projector, you can have the screen, you can take that down, inflate that up. They have these fridge liners that I think are cool. So they come in a pack of 3. So just to help you keep your refrigerator clean, and when you're cleaning the mess, you can just pull these out, rinse these off. And those are $5 for those. They have drawer organizers. Those are on sale right now at Aldi. $7 for those right there, and you can get those and just organize those little things in your drawers so your junk drawer isn't so junky. They have a few things in my Aldi. My Aldi sometimes everything is a little out of place, but they have a few things that I thought were great. I'm going to share them, even though I don't know the prices. But generally, everything is around the same price, like in certain categories. But they still have outdoor rugs. They had these left at mine. These signs, I love them. So they're really for fall and stuff like that, but you can see they have different prints and stuff on them. They are reversible. I love this one right here. So you can see like the little plaid peeking out through the letters there, but these are reversible. I love the beading detail on the side of that one right there. And you can see they have those rope hooks so that you can hang them. But this way you can, if you feel like changing up the decor in the middle of the fall, you can just flip it around. I love a good reversible sign. So they had a few different options at my Aldi. So if you're looking for that, you might want to check that out. They had these brooms. Another one didn't have the price, but they were cute. So they have the little dustpan with them, and then the broom, and then you can see the print that is on the handle. Just a cute little set if you're looking for something. This would be good for like kitchen workspace, different things like that, and you can prop it up. This teeth whitening kit, I thought about getting it. $15 for this, and it says you'll see results in 7 days. They have outlet strips, extension cords. This right here I thought was cool because you plug it up, and I believe you plug the thing into it, and then you can click it on and off through that little button right there. So I thought that was cool. They have this 3-pack of extension cords here, so you can grab that. So yeah, they have a lot of cool deals right now. A lot of cool things for fall. They have these little mini wreaths, $7 for these. So you can see on the box they displayed them like hanging off of a chair just to get a little decor. You can make a door hanger. You can jazz these up and use it as a wreath for your door. They have these LED set of candles, and I just thought they were cool because they have different prints, but they'll go with those little mini wreaths. These little pumpkins here for $5. A lot of places have the little fabric pumpkins. The LED candles are going to be $10, and that's for the set of 3. Like I said, they have different ones that you can grab. These little hedgehog decor pieces, like a little plush with a little sign. I thought those were cute. They have these square cutting blocks. You can use them as cutting blocks. You can use them as the display. You can use them as a bunch of different things. But they are $13. They had it in a square. They had it in a circle. They have these drawer organizers, $15. So I don't know. Are you looking to organize your drawers? $15. You can get real organized with a lot of the things at Aldi right now. You can see they can use for spices. They have ones for utensils. They have different ones. They have this right here, $7 for this wood serving board. And again, another one that you can use for a serving board, you can use as decor. And then these are the hedgehogs. They have them in different little prints and outfits and stuff. And then they still had some like gnome pieces and things too. This lamp right here, $30 for this, and it's just like the hanging pendant lamp. I thought that was cute. It's for indoors, they say. They have, like I said, a few things that weren't really labeled, but they have like a lot of little fall tablecloths that you can grab too. So they have circle ones, they have square ones, rectangle ones, but they are a vinyl. So those are like the ones you wipe off real quick. $15 for these rattan lanterns. So these are the ones with the little light inside that you already have. But just a nice little look. So you can use these outdoors still if you are in an area where you can still be outside. But I think you're going to be able to be outside for a long time. And those hedgehogs are $9, just in case you wanted to know. And you can see they have the cute little fall prints on those too, which I think is cute. This big grilling pan, $7 for this. And when it's, I say it's big, it's big. It's oversized. It is a big. You can fit a lot of little things on there. So if you're looking for a grilling pan, you can grab that. This is a grater, but with the little crank in it. So maybe it makes it just a little bit easier to crank it. And it's like small. It's not too big. So they have that right there. They have these set of three. $10. So you get three of those canisters with the lids, and you can see they all are different size. So if you're looking for like you like to organize with those glass canisters, you can grab that. These pumpkins I thought were so cute. So they're ceramic pumpkins, $9. I especially love that like little plaid print one, but that orange one had a nice color. They have like squash like ones you can grab. You can grab those. They have this wood handle, like fake wood handle pan, $15 for that. And you can see it is kind of a deep size there for that. But Aldi always has a lot of cute little pan sets. They have the fall scented Febrezes, so they have pumpkin patch there, and then they have the apple scent. And then they had some pet finds before. They were all sectioned in the same area, but now they're like spread about, so they didn't have the tag. But I thought this was cute, just a little house you can put together for your cat, and then this little laser toy that you can have for your pets. These pillows, real nice for fall. I thought those were cute. So they had different types that you can grab. This one was just a real pretty color. Just like yellows, like kind of a gold, and then like the oranges, and then they have one that's more of a muted color. So yeah, you might want to check those out. They have still this, the little pet cleaner thing, the paw cleaner thing. I thought that was cool. This steam cleaner, $20 for this. Okay, so I thought this was cool because I'm noticing a lot more people are using steam to clean. So you can use that to clean with. You can have that whole little setup, and you don't have to worry about, making up your own little setup. So $7 for these little pet hoodies, and these go from extra small to extra large, and they had several different prints in this. The little two-tone one, I think that'd be cute if you add something custom to it. They have the little security one here, and they have the little hoods on those too. The little memory foam pieces. Okay, so I'm a side sleeper. I think I use a pillow, but that would be great right there. The little joint holders, like the joint supports, you can grab those for $5. And then the memory foam one too, they have it in the pillows. So you can get the neck pillow or you can get the knee one. And those, they have the pet beds, $15. And these are a good size. And they felt nice and soft. So it could be a small pet, a medium sized pet, maybe even a big pet could fit on there. So they had those in different prints too. This, I think I've seen this before, but just in case you wanted one, $15. So it's like a Swiffer, but it's got the spray thing, what have you on the stuff. They have these blankets. They felt so nice and soft. $20 for these, and you can see they had those in several different patterns. And fall is time to get cozy and stuff. So these right here, $7. So they're like pantry organizational baskets. I like the colors in them. I like the little swoop in the front, so it makes it easier, to take things out. They have little handles on the side. I thought those are great. This little tray right here, $13. So it's not a Lazy Susan, no, it's just a regular little tray. But if you wanted to get a little creative with this, you can put little legs on this. These soap pumps right here, I thought they were nice and neutral. They have the silver, and then they have a little bit of a texture to them too. So $5 for those. They have these little rattan like pitchers, so you can grab those. $8 for those, and it's a decent size. They're lightweight too. The glass wasn't heavy. So you have the rattan detail around the handle and around the bottom of those. These are just over the door hooks. They call them shelf hooks, but they're over the door hooks. So $10. You can put stuff up top, and then you can put stuff on the hooks. They had those in two colors at my Aldi. So if you're looking for some organizational stuff, they have those too. These candles, $8 for these, and they're like the fall scents. They have a strong smell though. So if you like a subtle smell, this is not it. This one was a little more muted in the smell there. They have these little rugs, bath mat for rugs. It kind of gave me a boho vibe, but $5 for these. And they have the little grip on the bottom, so that, they won't slide all around the place. I like this like cream kind of off-white one. I think that'll go with a lot of different places. These little small baking pans, I thought they were cute. So you can grab those, like the little mini loaf pan there. Then they had circular ones, and they had them in different colors too. They had a black, a green, a gold. I don't know if they have more colors than those, but they had that. And then they had like a little mini, what do you call those? Butt pans with a little cute, like ridges in it that'll give like the cake a little cute look to it. So they had those there at my Aldi. This cutting board right here, so it's just a little plastic cutting board, $5 for that right there. And then they had this cute grater, which I thought was cute because it's just like a little cone shape. And this is like, I like the handle up top. So, you grate it, the stuff will collect really in the middle there. And then, you just dump it out. So they had that right there. I think it is $5. I can't say for sure because I get the tags were out of place. These little stone coasters, or you can get the stone serving tray. So you can get the whole set. You can get just the coasters. You can get just the serving tray. I think that was around like $5 for those. This set right here, $10 for this. So you get those two trays right there and the little wood tray to put them on. So you'll have like a whole little set up there. They have these canisters right here, $13, or at least I think it's these canisters right there because it says dipping, but it just looks like storage canisters. This salt and pepper set right here, so $15. I'm not sure how it works, but it did look cool. So they had it in that color combo, and then they had it in a green and in a blue at mine. So I'm assuming it's that electric one that grinds and stuff. They have these little pizza pan sets. I think the small ones come in a set of two. Don't quote me. And then you have the bigger one that you can get, the 12-inch one, for just a set of one. And then they have this little toaster here, $20 for that. Just a little basic toaster that you can grab. This churro maker and the quesadilla maker. I'm not sure how the churro maker works. I thought you deep fried those, but it doesn't look like you do that with that. But that was $17 for the both of those. So yeah, you might want to head over to your Aldi and see what they have.